the M4 is extensively used by the United States Armed Forces, and is largely replacing the M16 rifle in United States Army and United States Marine Corps combat units, as the primary infantry weapon and service rifle. The M4 has been adopted by over 60 countries worldwide, and has been described as one of the defining firearms of the 21st century. Since its adoption in 1994, the M4 has undergone over 90 modifications to improve the weapon's ergonomics and modularity, including the M4A1, which strengthened the barrel and removed the burst fire option, and the SOP mod, an accessory kit containing optical attachments, and the underbarrel M203 grenade launcher. In a study conducted by the Army Marksmanship Unit, they found that at a distance of 300 yards, or 270 meters, the M16 achieved a 24-inch, or 610 millimeters grouping, and the M4 achieved a 32-inch, or 810 millimeters grouping, which dropped to 12-inch, or 300 millimeters, and 18-inch, or 460 millimeters respectively when using match-grade ammunition. As the average male torso is 18 to 19-inch, or 460 to 480 millimeters wide, author Chris McNabb concluded that this meant the M4 can be consistently accurate up to 300 yards, and noted that the frequent usage of optical attachments meant it could be accurate to higher ranges.